Okay, so I put my blade in the jigsaw, and I didn't put it on I didn't hone it on a stone. I decided against that. And I have the set to as much orbital cut as I can. So let's go ahead and make a cut, see what it'll do. Alright, not a bad cut. A little bit of roughness in here, but the cut's pretty good. Cut a little bit more. Okay, a little bit melting on the plastic, but pretty smooth cut. I mounted the jigsaw blade into the jigsaw. I have it set on 0 so there's no orbital cut. And let's go ahead and do a cut and see how it does. Okay, the cut came out pretty nice. A little bit of melting on the foam, but the cut is pretty much smooth the way I want it to come out. So, considering it's a free jigsaw blade, it's worn out, all we did was sharpen it on a grinder, put it in our jigsaw. We made a pretty smooth cut in our foam, which is pretty hard to do. And the trick to cutting foam is you need a knife edge. That edge on there has to be like a knife, not ridges or a blade, but it's going to be smooth and sharp. Now I'm probably not going to sharpen that. I'll probably just use it like it is, because the cuts came out, pretty decent. So I just have a jigsaw blade, and it's used up. It's no longer sharp. I can't do anything else with it. So I'm just going to take all the teeth and everything off of it and make it sharp. And I'll grind that with a pretty steep angle.